Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on this KingChii electric humidor. So as you can see on the glass, some humidors really have that really reflective glass and some don't. But this is one of those that is pretty much a mirror. Some people like it and some really don't. I don't really mind it. You are going to have three main functions. You're going to have the light. And like I said, because it's the mirror style glass, you really won't be able to see anything inside. And then we're going to have up and down for the temperature control. So here we have the inside of the humidor. And this electric humidor does have a 16-liter capacity. So it is going to be tailored for those smaller cigar collections. Here we have the top tray. And then the bottom one, which comes with a little tray. So you can add distilled water or humidor solution. And to be honest, this is a great humidor. The temperature control is really accurate. Whether I want a cooler humidor that's in the 60s or a warmer one that's in the 70s, it works very well, and the temperature can actually rise and drop pretty quickly, whether you want to create more humidity or less. There was only one issue that I found with this humidor, and that was with the hygrometer. So I actually used an aftermarket hygrometer to try to see the accuracy of this one. And normally 1 or 2% off from the actual humidity is fine. But when you start seeing 3, 4, 5% off from the humidity, then that starts to become a problem. And that's exactly what was happening with this hygrometer. The humidity was literally off about 5 to 6%, which was totally unacceptable. And what really makes it worse is that the hygrometer can't be calibrated, which really didn't make sense to me because there are so many other cheaper humidors that have a hygrometer that's able to be calibrated. Whereas this one that came in an electric humidor, I expected it to be able to be calibrated, but it's actually unable to do that. So unfortunately, I had to go out of my way, purchase another hygrometer to try to fix that issue, which to be honest was very inconvenient. And like I said, it was an extra purchase that I had to make. And I mean, other than the hygrometer, there's really no issues with this humidor. I can confidently recommend the system itself, the humidor itself, but when it comes to the hygrometer, I really don't trust them. So I'd make sure you purchase one that's able to be calibrated. And overall, I think this is a pretty good upgrade if you're looking to get into the electric humidor scene. These small 16-liter electric humidors are a great choice.